In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your microphone and make sure that others can hear you while you play Counter-Strike 2. So first, before joining a game, go into the settings and then switch over to the audio category. On audio, you will be able to configure the playback devices, so where you will be able to hear all of the audio in game, so make sure that the device is set up correctly. And finally, you will have your microphone here. So the very first thing that you should pay attention to is the microphone trigger threshold. Try messing with this setting, and if you see this bar go up and down, this means that your microphone is being detected, so you don't have to worry. If you notice that this bar is not moving at all, then it could indicate a few issues. First, check the voice input audio device. If you only have one microphone connected to your PC and it is set as the default one, it should be selected by default. But if it is not, then click here and then change it accordingly. For example, I am using this fine microphone. You can also configure push to talk or open microphone. If this is set to disabled, then no one will be able to listen to you in game. It's also important to go over to the microphone key binding and make sure that you change it accordingly. So you will be using the button set here to talk in voice chat. If it still does not work, either because the microphone does not appear or nothing happens here, then what I recommend is that you open the control panel, go into sound, and then go over to the recording devices. Now find your microphone. If it is disabled like this one, for example, enable it and then set as the default device. I'm not going to do it because my microphone is currently active and I'm using it to record the video, so it is this one. And you can also go into the properties to make sure that everything is good to go. Control the levels accordingly. If it is set to 0, then no audio will be picked up, and you can also enable listen to this device. This way, when you talk into your microphone, you will be able to listen back to what you are saying to ensure that it is working. Then control the sensitivity, restart the game, and you should be good to go when you select it from the settings. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect microphone to CS2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.